Yo, 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 yo. Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well. My name is Navid, and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another text effect from another beautiful movie, A Star is Born, starring Bradley Cooper and Lady Gaga, which was a fabulous movie. And so we decided to create this movie's text style almost identical to the original logo with a lot of details. As you can see here, we got a very high resolution here. You can apply your text to this text style and use this in different projects. If you want to download text style or get like hundreds of other text styles in different categories, games, movies, 80s Chrome, anything, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and have access to all of them. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you like how you can easily edit this template. It's totally effortless and it's gonna take more than a couple minutes. Okay, as you can see here, double click on each layer to edit the text. As simple as that. As you can see here, they can move each section around and totally editable and draggable. Okay, for example, you can remove them. You can just double click on them, change the font. For example, I want to change the font here. Okay, for example, let's go with this one. You can see here. Just no-brainer and easy to edit. So no limitation in font, and actually no limitation in language. You can use this in any language, and without any need to be worried about the language. And you can see the result instantly. If you disable the background, you can see the design on a dark background. You can actually, for example, I'm gonna go with black here. You can see here it's totally looking great. Or you can just disable both background layers and have this in a transparent mode and use this in anywhere that you want. You can just drag. You can actually change the color. It's very easy. For example, here, go to hue and saturation and just change the variable on hue and get a new color. As you can see here, for example, this is a rose gold here, and you can see these texts here. You can edit them, you can move them around or type your own text. For example, I want to type hyperpix.net. Okay, you can actually, we got a noise in the background layer, for example, here. So I want to show you how you can use this template for your logo. Okay, it's very easy. For example, these golden style contained in this folder. So all you gotta do is to drag anything here so you can get golden look. So everything in that, everything in this folder is gonna be golden. As you can see here, just instantly. You can see, beautiful. Just look at the detail and like how effortless it is to use. And you can apply anything to this beautiful style. Okay, I hope you love this text style. It actually took us hours to design this, but you can just use this like in less than a minute and use this in different projects, in personal and commercial projects. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and have access to hundreds of text effects. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Navid, this is Hyperpix.